Hi, this is Paul Duncan from Retail Dimensions. What I'm going to show you today is RDI's, the Retail Pro version 9 e-commerce catalog. We'll walk through some of the interface features, how you navigate your inventory, the product grid, and how we can assign images to our products. You can see in the application, we can drill down at our Retail Pro inventory from the top left here by department, class, subclass, at any level here, as well as drilling down by selected vendors. So we can choose the vendor and see our products that represent that from the vendor. In the bottom left here is a representation of our website. So we can, for example, add a new category. We've got metadata, meta title, meta keywords, images, and so on for that. When we're back looking at our products, we can narrow down our search by using the filters. We can add and remove columns. We can sort any one of the columns that's visible, and we can use the columns that are visible for a filter as well. So you can see there between that, the DCS codes, the vendor code, we can get down to exactly the products we're looking for. We can see on the on the right here, we can see whether or not the product's already been assigned to a category, and we can easily check this box to exclude those items that have been assigned. The next step is to select some products that we want to assign to the category and drag and drop those into the categories. It's as simple as that. Once the products have been assigned to the category, they show up in our grid. We can see exactly when they were assigned, and you've got the same capabilities as you had with sorting columns and so on. Let's go back and look at the style editor. We'll take a look at this product here. We can see we've got a more descriptive product name for it. We can see what categories it's in. If we wanted to assign it to the kids category, we could do that from here. Meta titles, long description, full HTML. We support 2 alternate descriptions as well. Multiple images, I'll come back to that. We can see all the items that make up that product. So we can easily filter out products that we don't want to have go up to the website. And we can build our related items here. People who buy that also buy that. For the images, we can assign up to 5 images per product. So if we could do a front view, a back view, a side view, this is all drag and drop. Very, very easy to assign images. If we wanted to assign images per color, we can do that. Again, we can assign up to 5 images per color per product. So for the green, I could drag and drop my green images in here. I could pick the red and drag and drop red images in there. If I wanted to have a color swatch, I could easily use the hex value, pick the color, or define it if it was provided to me by a vendor. The color codes, we could pick that, add it, and we've got our swatch assigned for the yellow products. Okay. Images are not resized. They're exactly how you have them. We take what you've got and we push that up to the website. So very quick to do images. A couple of other features in here. If we look at the configuration of the application, we can identify 4 different price levels that will go up to the website. We can pick from multiple stores, 1 or many stores. We can manage whether or not we assign images here. We can bring down either sales orders or receipts. You've got the flexibility of doing that. And we also have the ability to do the word mapping, taking the abbreviated values from Retail Pro. We export those out into a spreadsheet. You can manage them, import them back in. The whole polling process is designed to run unattended, but for the purposes of a demonstration, we would do a process out, connect to Retail Pro, get the data out, disconnect from Retail Pro, and then we would do an exchange up. So the concept we use is loosely coupled. There is also the ability to do a price quantity export. Again, this is very fast. All it's doing is picking up those products that have changed since the last time, just the price, just the quantity, and pushing that information up to the website. So that's a very quick overview of the RDI's product. If you want to see more about it, please give us a call, email us. More than happy to do a demo with you or your customers, and we can go through the application in a little more detail. Thank you for your time.